Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the Botim last seen in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Botim application on your phone. Then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside, you just have to tap on the option of chats. Then tap on the option of this plus icon. Now over here you will be shown all of your contacts, so you just have to simply select the profile of that particular person whose activity status you want to check. So when you are inside this particular conversation section, on the top, as you can see, you are going to see the last seen of that particular person. So it works the same way like you see the last seen in the WhatsApp application or in the Facebook Messenger. In your case, if you are not able to see the last seen of the person, you can make sure that you are using the latest version of the application and your friend too also using the latest application version. So it is very easy for you to get it. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.